friends, I welcome all of you on my YouTube channel once again. Friends, अगर मैं आपसे बोलूँ to find answers of these two questions which are appearing on the screen in just 2 to 3 seconds, then will you able to solve this question in just 2 to 3 seconds? You would have studied various methods in your schools, through NCERT. That would take at least 2 to 3 minutes, but the trick which I am going to say you today, the trick I am going to share with you today, it would take just 2 to 3 सेकेंड. ये आपको 2 से 3 सेकेंड में ही कठिन से कठिन सवालों का आंसर आप निकाल सकेंगे. सो बढ़ते हैं हम शॉर्टकट की ओर. So friends, we are starting with a new series of shortcut hashtag short tricks, as you can see here. So these short tricks will be helpful in the various competitive examinations like JEE, NDA, Air Force, Navy, CET and many more competitive examinations in which the chapters like integrations are asked. So अब ट्रिक की ओर बढ़ते हुए मैं सबसे पहले ये बताना चाहूँगा कि question has to be in this format only, then only you can apply the trick. Here the format is integration a to b x minus c into dx, where those ये c रहेगा, this c has to be between a and b. ये c has to be between a and b, then only you can apply the trick. अब देखिए, if it is between a and b, then answer is simply put this b in place of x, put this b in place of x. Here you put first b, and the same thing you do minus c and you do whole square, plus put this a in place of x, a minus c to the whole square by 2. So here for better understanding I would give you few examples so that you can understand. जैसे कि our first example has come to the screen. It is integration 1 to 6 mod of x minus 2. अब here firstly we will see whether this 2 is between our upper limit and lower limit or not. So here 2 is between upper limit how much, 6, lower limit is how much, 1. So yes, it is between 1 and 6. So we can apply the tricks. Now how we will apply the trick? Now what I told you, you put this 6 in place of x. So we will put 6 minus 2 to the whole square, plus 1 we will put again in place of x. So 1 minus 2 to the whole square, and we will divide by 2. So we will get 6 minus 2, it will become 4 square is 16, plus 1 minus 2 will become minus 1 to the whole square is 2, and we will divide by 2. So it is 16 plus 1 by 2, so it will become 17 by 2, and our answer is 8.5. So how was the trick? So for better understanding I would take one more example. For example, here the question is integration 2 to 8 mod of x minus 5 dx. So here our critical point 5 is between 8 and 2. Is it? Yes. So we can apply the trick now here. So the trick says that we will put the upper limit in place of x and lower limit in place of x, square them, add them and divide by 2. So accordingly we will do. So here upper limit was 8, upper limit 8, so we will put 8 minus 5 to the whole square, plus lower limit 2 minus 5 to the whole square by 2. So if we do like that, we will get 8 minus 5 to the whole square, we will get 9, 2 minus 5 to the whole square, again we will get 9, so it will become 9 plus 9 by 2. So answer is simply 18 by 2, which is again 9. So here I have some homework questions for you, which you can find the answers and comment your answers below in the comment section. Top answers will be pinned by me. I have few more important formulas which you must remember. These formulas you must remember and questions are directly asked in the examinations from this formula. ये सारे फॉर्मूले जो स्क्रीन पे आ रहे हैं 5 फॉर्मूले, ये सारे फॉर्मूले किताबों में नहीं दिए रहते हैं, ये सारे फॉर्मूले से डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन आता है. तो देखिए फार्मूला क्या क्या है. सो आवर फर्स्ट फार्मूला इज इंटीग्रेशन secant x dx which is equal to log of tan pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus c. You need to remember this formula. This is very much important. Direct questions are asked in NDA and Air Force and Navy examinations. Then second formula is integration cosecant x dx which is equal to log of tan x by 2. Again this is again very important formula. I'll put very important. Then again our third formula is integration e of x f of x plus f dash of x. If this type is coming, then your answer is simply whatever is e of x you multiply with f of x. So e of x into f of x plus c. Then coming over to the fourth formula says that integration of log x. Actually you can find out this integration of log x using normal integration also, but that would take 4 to 5 minutes. Rather than you can directly remember the formula. Integration log of x dx is equal to x log x minus x plus c. This is also very important and direct questions are asked in the examinations. And for example, if questions is coming as integration log of x plus 1, then what will you do? So in answer part also here, if it is coming x plus 1, then in answer part also instead of x you substitute x plus 1, and here also it will become log x plus 1. Here also it will become x plus 1. So if it is coming log of x square, then here you substitute x square. Answer is very simple. Then coming over to last and final formula of the day, it is integration e to the log of x dx. Whenever anything is coming as e to the power log, we cancel e and log, both get cancelled. E and log gets cancelled, so we will cancel e and log, so we get only x. So it which is equal to integration x dx. Now it is very simple. You can find the integration of x dx which is equal to x square plus 2. So friends, how was the formulas? These 5 formulas, and you need to remember, this is must remember formula. As I have written here, you can see this is must remember formula which you must remember, and questions are directly asked from this. So friends, share these videos with your friends, with your juniors, with your colleagues who are preparing for the upcoming examination. And for PDF, link will be provided in the description box of the Telegram. You can join for the PDF. Thank you for tuning till the end. Thank you. Jai Hind.